I'm in this makeshift garage workshop today to talk a little bit about dust collection. Anyone that's watched this channel before knows that I really love this DeWalt miter saw. It's the first shop tool that we bought and we've used it a ton. We've installed floors, we've cut up boards for framing. We've done a whole bunch of things with this and it's worked tremendously great every single time. However, the dust collection on it has not been that great. It makes a mess everywhere. And the primary reason is not the saw, but it comes with this really tiny dust bag. Before we talk about alternatives, let's take a look at how this dust bag that comes with the saw works first. As you can see, the sawdust went everywhere. The bag does collect stuff, but it's really designed just to get some bigger stuff and maybe work on a contractor site where they're cleaning up afterwards and dust is not a problem. However, I cut a lot of stuff in the rooms that I'm working on and the dust makes a mess, so I need a better alternative. Now, that better alternative would be to use a shop vac, and the shop vac would connect to that dust port and help suck up some of the extra dust that's kicking around. Now, normally you go out and you buy these kinds of adapters and you connect them to the back of the saw and it allows you to connect directly to the shop vac. But DeWalt makes it a bit difficult. None of these work, as you can see right here. Now, if you can't use standard shop vac adapters to connect to the dust collection on these DeWalt tools that use a special connector, how do you do it? You would think it would be fairly simple and you could just find the adapter anywhere. I looked and I looked and I looked and I could not find any good information easily on how to do this. I call it the DeWalt code, and that's because you have to do some really hard searching to find out the components that you need. The answer is there's actually two separate parts that you'll need. The first one is the universal quick connector, and this is DeWalt part DWV9000. The second part you're going to need is a DWV9190. That is the large hose adapter. This is going to screw into the back of the universal adapter, and this will allow you to actually connect the shop vac hose directly to the tool. Let's connect that up right now and see how everything works. The first part is going to be the universal adapter. This goes on, and then you twist the retaining ring to lock it in place. Now this can't be removed anymore. The next step is to go ahead and screw the large hose adapter into this. Now this is actually reverse threaded, so it's going to be lefty to tighten it. Then we just go ahead and plug the shop vac hose in. We can give it a test by turning the shop vac on and off. And we're all set to make another cut and see if there's any improvement on the dust collection. The dust collection's all set up. We're ready to make our next cut. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the shop vac on, and then we will cut through this wood and see how it does. both cuts are now done, and I think with the dust extraction, there was a lot less dust that got into the room, but I'll let you make your own kind of conclusion as to if it's better or not. Here's some video side by side showing what it looked like with just the dust bag and also with the dust extraction connected. Well, that wraps up this video. If you like content like this and want to see more from our channel, please subscribe below and hit that little bell icon because it will notify you whenever we release new videos. Until next time, happy cutting.